Hello, everyone. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. And I hope everybody had a wonderful day. And before I go and before I forget, go ahead with my live talk. I want to wish all my people who are living in Canada, all my followers, friends, business partners, and who are living in Canada, a happy Canada Day and enjoy your day. Have lots of fun, celebrate it, enjoy the moment, and create memories with your family, with your children. So, happy Canada Day to all my viewers, all my followers who are from Canada. So, yes, so I'm back again live on my page, and today I'm also having a very unique topic to talk about. And before I do that, I will introduce myself. Yes, my name is Sheetal Lobo. I am the face behind this page of mine. I also have a personal page. It's called Sheetal Lobo, and my business page is called Prosperity with Sheetal Lobo. And a warm welcome to each and every one of you for joining me live today and the people who will be watching the replay of it. Yes, I am a proud daughter of God. I am a proud mother of three amazing young boys. I'm a teacher by profession, and I proudly call myself as a teacherpreneur because I am doing this business alongside my teaching job, and I also mentor people, and I'm also a proud digital business mentor. Today, I'm sharing something very close to my heart. It's not about income, it's not about sales or even success stories, but about something deeper. So before I go ahead, I want to tell you people that I am tuning in live from Abu Dhabi, UAE, and it's 10:40 p.m. here. And please do let me know in the comments below from which part of the world you're tuning in from, so that I can read it out and I can recognize you on my page over here. So as I told you today, I am not going to be talking about income, sales, or even success stories, but about something much deeper. So, our topic for today is how my kids are learning life lessons or life skills by simply watching me grow this online business. So, it's not only about what we say, but what we do that teaches them the most. So, our children are watching us. Maybe you might be thinking that they are not watching. They are busy playing, they are busy doing, they are in their room. But somewhere I have noticed that children are watching and they do watch you quietly what you're doing. So, children learn what they live. We've heard the saying, children are great imitators. So give them something great to imitate, and that's exactly what I've realized through my journey. In the early days of my business, I used to think, will my kids even understand what I'm doing? But slowly I noticed that my sons were curious. They started asking, Mama, are you doing your business call? Or did your ad run today? So these moments made me pause and realize they are watching. They see me showing up even when I'm tired. They see me learning, failing, getting back up. They see me praying and trusting God over fear. So these are the beautiful things, yes, that I am teaching my children to learn and watch and grow. So the life lessons that they are picking up, they may not they may not get all the business language yet, but here's what they are picking up: consistency over comfort. I show up even after school hours. They have seen me sometimes work. They are seeing me even now. They see me watch, working a little longer time. I work on my business plus my school and take care of the home, cook and manage the things. And they see me doing this consistently. And I also believe that Learning never stops. That's what I tell my children. And they have seen me. They will come suddenly from their room. Mama, is your life going on? Are you attending a meeting? Is the meeting going on? So they will just come and they will just pop into the screen and they will go away. So I believe that learning never stops, and I tell my children the same. And and what they learn is also faith and resilience. When things don't go right, they see me praying instead of panicking. Yes, sometimes it's a human tendency that I tend to panic. We are all not perfect, but uh, I always pray and I always ask God and trust God for whatever situation that I'm in to help me to overcome that situation and help me to stay strong and faithful. And they also learn how to speak kindly. When I speak with my business partners or people who are asking for inquiries on my team with kindness, they learn communication. And another important thing that they learn is time management. They see how I balance school, home, and business. These are life skills, no textbook teaching. And these things, I don't think so, any textbook will teach. So I sometimes make them part of my journey. They are there. Some of my lives you will see them. Some of my ads. So one of the sweetest thing is when they want to help mama. Sometimes my son clicks a photo for my post, and another day he just sat beside me and said, "I want to do business like you one day." They learn through observing. Sometimes I let them hear these motivational audios. I share it with them. Sometimes I explain to them that while I clean or cook, my business still works in the background thanks to the automation. And they feel involved, they feel seen. This isn't just my journey anymore, it's our journey as a family of my three sons, my husband, and myself. So we are uh, working, or this is our journey as business owners, not only me, but with my kids and my husband. It's our journey, we say. And it's so amazing that I am able to teach them the right value and right things. And many I believe that no, or many people think why this matters, or I believe that why this matters more than money. Yes, I started this business to earn extra income, to pay school fees, plan vacations, and support my husband, support my mother, take care of, support my church community, and give open handedly to my church community, and not worry and stress about money. But what I'm gaining is more than money. Yes, we all join something, we all start a business or something that we start apart from our jobs. We all are looking for extra source of income. Yes, and I don't deny that. But this digital business has not only given me an extra source of income, but it has helped me to grow personally too. But what I'm gaining is more than money, as I said. It's a legacy, it's character building, it's time with my children while making an impact. What good is it for someone to gain the whole world yet forfeit their soul? It says, and beautifully it is mentioned in the Bible in Mark chapter 8, 36, verse 36. This business is soul aligned, purpose driven, and family rooted. Yes. So I want to ask you, dear parents, what are your children watching you do every day? Are you giving them a legacy to believe in? Are you building something that not just pays but inspires? If not yet, it's never too late. I started this journey afraid, unsure. I was almost 40 plus. Yes, I was 40 plus when I started this journey as an entrepreneur. But I said yes, and now my children are witnessing what purpose and action looks like. If you are curious, hungry for change, and want your kids to see you rise, DM me or join my free live webinar. We'll show you how you too can build something real from home around your family with God's guidance. Even if you are busy working professional like me, you still can do this business. I know you will have a lot of hesitation, you will have a lot of things to say. I don't have the time, I don't have the energy. It's not that this business is going to take you all of your time, just 2 to 3 hours in a day, and you are good to go. And even that, those 2 to 3 hours is not continuously sitting uh, and doing your business. It's just you can break it up into small portions of the day and you can work on the business. If I can do it, so can you. I want to give you examples of nurses. They have 12 hours shift sometimes and they still run this business successfully. So don't raise your children to have more than you have. Raise them to be more than you were. And another Bible verse which says is train up a child in the way he should go. Even when he is old, he will not depart from it, which is beautifully put in Proverbs 22:6. So, so this is what I wanted to share. Every topic that I share in my life is very unique, and and I love to talk about it. And I believe that this will be an inspiration or will bring value into the people who are watching me live or watching the replay of it. I know that there are many people uh, who have been watching my journey from day one as my follower, quietly watching, and I know that you are scared, you are skeptical, you don't know whether this is true or not, whether what I am doing is the right thing or not. So, in order to avoid all of that skepticism, all of that doubtful questions in your mind to go away, you can always comment here in this live that you want to know what exactly I am doing. I will be glad to share the information with you. Yes, I started scared, as I said. I was skeptical. I was nervous. I didn't have the business skills. I did not have business experience. I wasn't tech savvy. I wasn't into, I didn't know what business, what will I do, how will I do. But day one, from day one, I had made up my mind that I am going to learn. I am going to do the things that seems impossible because my why is very strong. I have a, the biggest why, that's my children, to give them the best and teach them the best thing and provide them and take care of their needs, and so that I'll be able to pay their fees and spend that time. There are times when most of us believe that we put our children's needs first, then we forget our own needs, and we say it's okay. We will do our things later. I have done that, and I don't want to do it anymore. I want to have my time to enjoy my time with my spouse, enjoy time with my family, go on holidays. And even if I go on holidays, I don't want to worry about the expenses. How am I going to do? What am I going to do? And slowly and gradually, I am building this business as a legacy for my children and helping them, not only them, myself, my family, and not only myself and my family, I'm also here to help people who are looking for that change in their life. And so that's it from me today. And before I go, I want to invite you all for a free live webinar that happens every Tuesday and Thursday at 5 p.m. PST and 8 p.m. UST. And in UAE, people can watch the live webinar that's tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning at 4 a.m. So if you're unable to watch the live webinar, you can always watch the replay of it. So how do you watch the webinar? You just need to register. You can visit my website, that's www.sheetallogo.net. That's going down below the screen, and fill in your name and email on my website, and you will get a link to watch the 90 minutes free workshop, which will give you some basic information about a digital business. It will also talk about the business, not all of the business. It will give you some basic info about digital marketing, and also it will talk about what is sales funnel and basic things that you need to know. And also, you will get to hear some amazing testimonials. And if you register on my website, you will be able to see me as one of the panelists sharing my journey. Yes, 3 years back when I started this business, I had that desire that one day I will be the panelist sharing my story to thousands of people, and I've done it not once, but I've done it three times, being a webinar panelist. So how did I do it? It is all what I've learned from my mentor, my coach, my digital business community for encouraging me and inspiring me, and my family members who constantly support me and encourage me. So it is not by myself. I have done with lots of prayers, God's wisdom upon me that has helped me to keep going on, learn and do the things what I am doing. It's not easy. I know the first step is the most difficult step, but once you take that first step, you will realize that you have done the right thing. Yes. So I want to see who has joined me. Someone has joined me here. I have a friend, a business partner. She is Uma Vakil. She's watching from Florida. Thank you, Uma, for joining in. Thank you for tuning in and watching me live. Thank you so much. Yes, this is the support of the community that we receive. Yes, I am in UAE, and I know her through this digital business, and she's tuning in to support me in my life to showcase that we are a global digital business community, and we are there to help you, support you, and guide you. So do register and watch the webinar. This is exactly how I started my journey, and I looked into the business, and it took me time to take action, but I took action, and here I am, a proud digital business owner and a mentor, and I call myself as a teacherpreneur. And that's it from me today. I've spoken a lot, and one more thing I want to share is that I want to thank God here. I had a little health scare. I was little worried yesterday. I had done some blood test, and today my reports came in normal. There was nothing, and I praise God and thank God for healing me and blessing me with good health, and also not only good health, giving me the strength and the wisdom to learn and to keep going on, and to keep doing what I am doing, and guiding me every step of my journey as a mom, as a teacher, as an entrepreneur. So this is amazing how God is in my business, how God is taking care of me, and giving me the wisdom of how to go about things, how to do it, even on days when I don't want to do it, but I show up because I know that I have a why, I have a reason to do this business. I know everybody has a why and a reason to do what they are doing. So take care, all of you, and I wish you all a very, very happy and a blessed week ahead. And once again, happy Canada Day to all my friends, business partners, and my followers who are from Canada. Happy, happy Canada Day. Enjoy your day. Take care of yourself. And I will see you all tomorrow. God bless you.